2026 Nissan Kicks SR. First look at the stylish new SUV. The subcompact SUV segment is bustling, but amidst the sea of options, the Nissan Kicks has always managed to stand out with its youthful vibe and value-packed offerings. Now, the grapevine is buzzing with anticipation for the 2026 Nissan Kicks, particularly the sporty SR trim. Let's dive into what we can expect from this upcoming head-turner. The Nissan Kicks has always been a fun, affordable, and stylish option for city dwellers and young drivers. The 2026 model, especially in its SR guise, looks to build upon this foundation, promising sharper looks, enhanced technology, and an even more engaging driving experience. Think of it as the Kicks we know and love, but with an extra dose of attitude and refinement. While Nissan is still playing its cards close to the chest, early whispers suggest a more mature and sophisticated design language while retaining the playful spirit that defines the Kicks. Performance: zippy and agile for urban adventures. While the Kicks SR isn't going to set any land speed records, it's not meant to. This is a vehicle designed for urban agility and nimble handling. Expect the 2026 SR to continue this legacy, offering a responsive and engaging drive that's perfect for navigating crowded streets and zipping around town. The expected upgrades in the suspension and steering departments should translate to a more connected and confident feel behind the wheel. This is a car that's meant to be driven, and driven with a smile. We anticipate it will be a joy to maneuver through tight city streets and find parking in those seemingly impossible spots. The compact size will make it easy to handle, while the engine is just punchy enough to make commuting fun. Interior: a tech-savvy and comfortable cockpit. Step inside the current Kicks, and you're greeted with a surprisingly spacious and well-designed interior. The 2026 Kicks SR is expected to take things up a notch, embracing a more modern and tech-focused approach. The SR is likely going to be a place you actually enjoy spending time. We're anticipating premium materials, comfortable seats with eye-catching stitching, and an intuitive layout that puts everything within easy reach. I'm personally hoping for a larger, more vibrant infotainment touchscreen, a digital instrument cluster, and maybe even some ambient lighting to set the mood. These kinds of touches would significantly elevate the interior ambience. Nissan has done well with the Kicks interior in the past, and I believe the 2026 SR will continue that trend. Features: packed with modern must-haves. Nissan has consistently equipped the Kicks with a generous array of features, and the 2026 SR is unlikely to deviate from this path. Expect a robust suite of standard and available features, including a user-friendly infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, like automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning, and convenience features like keyless entry and push-button start. The SR trim might also throw in some exclusive goodies like a premium sound system, a panoramic sunroof, or even a head-up display. These would make the SR even more appealing and competitive in its segment. Expected key features, building on the current model. Infotainment system. Larger touchscreen display, likely an upgrade from the current 7-inch or 8-inch screen, potentially to a 9-inch or even 10-inch display for a more modern look and improved usability. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this is becoming increasingly standard, offering seamless smartphone integration without the need for cables. Improved voice recognition, for hands-free control of navigation, music, and other functions. Nissan Connect services, likely to include features like remote start, vehicle finder, and emergency calling. Wi-Fi hotspot, to keep everyone connected on the go. Sirius XM satellite radio. Safety and driver assistance, Nissan Safety Shield 360 likely to be standard or at least widely available. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, helps prevent or mitigate frontal collisions. Lane departure warning, alerts you if you're drifting out of your lane. Blind spot warning, warns you of vehicles in your blind spots. Rear cross traffic alert, detects vehicles approaching from the sides when you're backing up. High beam assist, automatically switches between high and low beams. Rear automatic braking, helps prevent collisions when backing up. Adaptive Cruise Control, maintains a set distance from the vehicle in front of you. This might be an optional upgrade on the SR trim. Potential upgrades and SR-specific features. Performance and handling. Sport-tuned suspension, for a more engaging and responsive driving experience, unique to the SR trim. Enhanced steering calibration, for a more direct and connected feel. Larger alloy wheels, possibly 18-inch or even 19-inch wheels for a sportier stance and improved handling. Paddle shifters, possibly to add a more engaging element to the driving experience. Exterior. Unique SR styling elements, this could include a more aggressive front grille, different bumpers, side skirts, a rear spoiler, and unique badging. LED headlights and taillights, for improved visibility and a more modern look. These might be standard on the SR or part of an optional package. Blacked out trim, black accents like the mirror caps, door handles, and roof rails for a sportier appearance. Panoramic sunroof, a desirable feature that could be offered as an option on the SR. Interior. Sport seats, with more bolstering for better support during spirited driving. Unique upholstery, possibly leatherette or a combination of cloth and leatherette with contrast stitching, specific to the SR. Flat bottom steering wheel, a sporty touch that also adds a bit more legroom. Ambient lighting, to enhance the interior atmosphere. Digital instrument cluster, a fully digital display that replaces traditional analog gauges. This is becoming more common and would be a nice upgrade for the SR. Premium audio system, possibly a Bose system with more speakers for an enhanced listening experience. Heated front seats and steering wheel, for added comfort in colder climates, likely to be available in a package or as standalone options. Technology. Head-up display, HUD projects important information onto the windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. This is a premium feature that could be offered as an option on the SR. 360-degree around view monitor, provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier. Wireless charging pad, for convenient charging of compatible smartphones. Traffic sign recognition, some competitors offer it, so it could be a possibility. Important considerations. Trim levels, some of these features might be standard on the SR, while others might be part of optional packages or reserved for higher trim levels. Market trends, Nissan will likely look at what competitors are offering and what consumers are demanding to make the Kicks SR as competitive as possible. Cost, Nissan will need to balance the desire for advanced features with the Kicks' focus on affordability. I hope this comprehensive list gives you a good idea of what to expect in terms of features for the 2026 Nissan Kicks SR. As we get closer to the release date, more concrete information will undoubtedly emerge. Engine, efficient power for everyday driving. While official details are scarce, the 2026 Kicks SR will likely retain a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine, possibly with some tweaks for improved performance and fuel economy. The current generation is fuel-sipping, and the 2026 is projected to be even more. Don't expect a powerhouse, but rather a refined and responsive engine that delivers adequate power for everyday driving and highway cruising. A continuously variable transmission, CVT, will likely be the standard gearbox, contributing to smooth acceleration and optimal fuel efficiency. Whether it's a carryover or a new engine, expect it to be reliable, efficient, and more than capable for the Kicks' intended purpose. Competition, facing off against a crowded field. The subcompact SUV segment is fiercely competitive, and the 2026 Kicks SR will have its work cut out for it. It will face off against established rivals like the Hyundai Kona, Kia Soul, Mazda CX-30, and Honda HR-V, each offering its own unique blend of style, features, and performance. However, the Kicks SR has always held its own by offering a compelling combination of affordability, style, and practicality. With the expected upgrades for 2026, the SR is poised to become an even more formidable contender. Release date, anticipation is building. While Nissan hasn't officially announced a release date, industry insiders are speculating a late 2025 or early 2026 debut for the new Kicks. As we inch closer to that time frame, we can expect a steady stream of teasers and official announcements from Nissan, further fueling the anticipation for this exciting new model. It's definitely one to keep an eye on if you are in the market for a subcompact SUV. Price, value remains a core strength. One of the Kick's most appealing attributes has always been its affordability, and we expect the 2026 model to continue this tradition. While the SR trim will naturally command a higher price than the base model, it's likely to remain competitively priced within the segment. Expect a starting price that undercuts some of its rivals while still offering a compelling package of features and performance. I'm guessing we'll see a slight price increase compared to the current model, but nothing that will break the bank. The exact price will also depend on a variety of market factors. The 2026 Nissan Kicks SR has all the makings of a winner. It promises to build upon the strengths of its predecessor while adding a dash of sportiness, a sprinkle of sophistication, and a generous helping of modern technology. If you're in the market for a stylish, fun-to-drive, and value-packed subcompact SUV, the 2026 Kicks SR should definitely be on your radar. It's a car that I'm genuinely excited about, and I can't wait to see the final product hit the streets.